Oh, an early start. We're just going to kind of walk up casually, pick up the ball, try not to break a nail. Okay, didn't bring the ball back there, but that's cool. I guess they're just rules, right? If the refs don't know them, then if the players don't have to either. Oh, and here they come. The Boiling girls. The high ball there. Not sure where that was going, maybe at me. I would. Alright, there goes Roz. Oh! Alright, and dodge this, strikes first blood. Oh! Petra getting a little chest bump there. Is that? No, there's still one in, I believe. Yeah. Alright, I think this is Claire with a good block. Oh, geez. Oh my God, she got Roz out. Okay, there's a lot of, they're clustering. Oh, there's gonna be a double. Throw together. Ooh, nice little arm and dodge this. Picking up the 6-1.